Hello, if you don't have the live voicemail option in the phone settings on iPhone 16e, there's actually a simple fix. So the reason why you don't have the live voicemail option is most likely due to the region that you live in, or the region that is selected on your iPhone, because unfortunately only selected regions have access to live voicemail, but we can easily change that. And in order to do so, in the settings, once you go to the settings, you want to go to General, scroll down and go to Language and Region, and then over here in Region you want to select, for example, United States. I'm not sure what other countries support live voicemail. Probably Canada works as well, but I can't be certain. What I know is that United States works here in this example. So with the changed region, you can go to Apps and then scroll down to Phone. There we go. And now you should be able to find live voicemail. Of course, if you change the region, you might lose access to other stuff that are region locked. So you want to pretty much be sure that you are not losing anything important. If you actually lose something in the process, then you can just easily revert the region and get the access back to anything else that is missing after the region change. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!